Hey guys, don't mind how chopped I look. I'm going to show you guys everything I have 3D printed for me that I'm not selling yet because I'm getting a new 3D printer. So yeah, this is everything that I've made for me and my little brother. So first we have this really fun fidget. Next, he made me this pretty dragon. Now we made my brother this dragon. His is really long. That's just the size of his. Yeah. But like, it's really cool. I do really like it because I really like the head. And I like the colors too. And so it's really fun. But that's my 3D printed collection. Bye.